Today we are learning how to load a premium plugin with a zip file. Try to log into WPMU Dev and connect site to WPMU Dev dashboard. Before trying to uploading the zip file, this sometimes works. First off, I tried downloading the WPMU Dev dashboard via website. This did not work. So next I obtained a zip file via download. To install zip file from Wordpress dashboard, click plugins on left side of dashboard. Select add new. Then at the top there should be an upload button. Press this. After this you should see a select file box. Click it. Find appropriate file for plugin and select it. Then press install now. When finished installing, activate plugin. Sign in to WPMU Dev to unlock Pro features. Not all Pro plugins require zip files or a login screen. WPMU Dev has several great premium plugins that will help speed up and protect your website. Thanks for watching the video. Check out some of our others for more helpful tips.